Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to process refunds in Big Cartel. First, log into your Big Cartel account and go to your dashboard. From there, click on the Orders section to view all your customer purchases. Next, find the order you want to refund and click on it to open the full order details. Carefully review the payment information to confirm the purchase and ensure you're selecting the correct order. Once you've verified the order, go to your payment provider, such as PayPal or Stripe, since refunds are processed through those platforms and not directly inside Big Cartel. Log into your payment account, locate the transaction, and select the option to issue a refund. You can choose to refund the full amount or a partial amount, depending on the situation. After completing the refund, return to your Big Cartel orders page and make a note of the refund status for your records. And that's it. You've successfully processed a refund for a Big Cartel order. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.